In 1977, humanity launched two small spacecraft toward the outer planets of our solar system. They were never meant to last this long. Their mission was supposed to end after just a few years, once they finished photographing distant worlds. But nearly half a century later, both spacecraft are still traveling, farther than anything humanity has ever created. They have crossed the edge of the sun's influence, entered interstellar space, and continue sending whispers back to Earth from billions of kilometers away. This is the true story of Voyager, humanity's longest journey. The Grand Gamble. The Voyager mission began during the height of the space race. NASA scientists realized something extraordinary. In the late 1970s, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would align in a rare configuration that happens only once every 176 years. This alignment made a grand tour possible. A single spacecraft could visit multiple planets using gravity assists, stealing momentum from each world to reach the next. It was ambitious, it was risky, and it had never been attempted before. NASA launched Voyager 2 first on August 20, 1977, followed by Voyager 1 just weeks later. Each spacecraft carried cameras, scientific instruments, and a fragile antenna designed to communicate across unimaginable distances. No one expected them to still be working decades later. Jupiter, a violent giant. In 1979, Voyager reached Jupiter and completely changed our understanding of the solar system. Before Voyager, Jupiter's moons were thought to be frozen and inactive. But Voyager discovered something shocking. On the moon, Io, massive volcanoes were erupting, the first active volcanoes ever seen beyond Earth. Entire landscapes were constantly reshaped by lava. Scientists realized tidal forces from Jupiter were heating the moon from the inside. Voyager also revealed Jupiter's faint rings, powerful radiation belts, and storms larger than our entire planet. The solar system suddenly felt more alive and far more complex. Saturn and its secrets. Next came Saturn. Voyager captured breathtaking images of its rings, showing thousands of delicate structures, gaps, waves, and braided patterns shaped by gravity. Then came Titan. Saturn's largest moon was hidden beneath a thick orange atmosphere. Voyager couldn't see its surface, but measurements confirmed something astonishing. Titan had a dense atmosphere richer than any moon known. Decades later, this discovery would inspire future missions searching for alien chemistry. After Saturn, Voyager 1 turned upward, leaving the plane of the planets forever. Voyager 2 continued onward, alone, toward worlds no spacecraft had ever visited. Uranus and Neptune. In 1986, Voyager 2 reached Uranus. The planet appeared calm and blue, but it rotated on its side, as if knocked over by a cosmic collision long ago. Voyager discovered new moons, rings, and an oddly tilted magnetic field that confused scientists. 3 years later came the mission's final planetary encounter, Neptune. Against all expectations, Neptune was dynamic and violent. Voyager observed the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm racing through the atmosphere, and winds exceeding 2,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest ever recorded in the solar system. It also revealed Triton, a frozen moon with nitrogen geysers erupting into space. With that flyby, humanity completed its first exploration of the outer planets. But Voyager's journey wasn't over. It was just beginning. Leaving the solar system. After Neptune, the spacecraft continued drifting outward. For decades, they traveled through a region where the sun's solar wind battles interstellar space. Scientists waited for a historic moment, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends. In 2012, Voyager 1 officially entered interstellar space. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. For the first time in history, human-made objects were traveling between the stars. The spacecraft detected changes in cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, and particle density, giving humanity its first direct measurements of the space between star systems. Still talking to Earth. Today, Voyager continues to communicate using NASA's Deep Space Network. Its signal is incredibly faint. By the time it reaches Earth, the transmission carries less power than a household light bulb spread across billions of kilometers. A message takes more than 20 hours to travel one way. Engineers carefully shut down instruments one by one to conserve energy. Sometime in the 2030s, the spacecraft will finally fall silent. But even then, their journey will continue for millions of years. The Golden Record. Each Voyager carries something unique, a golden phonograph record. Etched onto it are sounds of Earth, wind, rain, laughter, animal calls, and music from different cultures. There are greetings in dozens of languages, and instructions showing how to play the record. It's a message in a bottle, thrown into the cosmic ocean, a declaration that humanity existed, curious, hopeful, and eager to be known. Voyager was never just a planetary mission. It became humanity's first interstellar traveler. Long after Earth's continents shift and civilizations change, these spacecraft will continue drifting among the stars, silent ambassadors of a small blue planet, and proof that even fragile machines, built by curious minds, can travel farther than anyone ever imagined. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about the universe.